quick. I've just stolen Paul Wallace's car. It's his GTR. We need to get rid of the fingerprints and all the evidence. Let's go get it cleaned. If you'd like a chance to win a Gtechniq goodie bag, just get us up to 1,000 subscribers. Once we get there, we'll send out a package of all of this gear to one of you lucky people. Just make sure you like the video, comment and let us know that you subscribe. We've got to get them fingerprints off quick. There's prints all over it. Quick.
Paul, I'm so glad you're here. Oh
my God.
Mate, what a day.
So honestly,
I've been all run Hertfordshire looking for this.
jeez, the police found it abandoned down the road earlier. They brought it over, we've taken it in and just looked after it for you.
Oh, you've done an amazing job.